Hey there. It's time to finish setting up your new Pwnagotchi with part 2, installation and configuration. So you've purchased your Raspberry Pi 0W, you've purchased your microSD card, and you've picked up your 2.13-inch e-paper screen by Waveshare. Now you might be wondering, what do I do next? Come with me, and we'll go find out.
The downloading and installation of the Pwnagotchi software on a microSD card, which you then run on your Raspberry Pi 0W. You want to open a web browser and go to Pwnagotchi.ai. Click on the installation tab, scroll down to flashing an image, click on download the latest Pwnagotchi update, and scroll down until you find assets, and then click on Pwnagotchi Raspbian Lite and whatever the latest version is, .zip. While that's downloading, you can go back to the Pwnagotchi website and click on Balena Etcher, which is the software that you're going to use to put it on the SD card. Download it for whatever operating system that you're running, in my case, Mac OS, and then install the software. Run it, click on Flash from File, go to your downloads, select the Pwnagotchi image, take the microSD card, pop it in, click Select Target, Mass Storage Media Device, whatever your microSD card might be. Then click Select, and then click Flash. Well, I'm not going to give you my password. And just let it flash. It'll take a few minutes. Now that the Pwnagotchi software has been installed on the SD card, open up a text editor. In my case, I'm using Visual Studio Code, but you can use anything you like. Create a new file. We're going to take the initial configuration as seen on the Pwnagotchi website. We're going to copy it, then just paste it into the editor. Set the name. Now you'll see main.whitelist. Do not forget to whitelist your own Wi-Fi network, otherwise your devices are going to become very, very unreliable. Yes, I have a lot of wireless networks. Don't ask. You also probably want to take this, copy it, and paste it over here in grid.exclude. It won't add your personal networks to a map. Now we're assuming that you're using the Waveshare display, so we're just going to leave it like this. We're going to save this file to the SD card. We're going to name it config.toml. So save it. We're going to take that micro SD card. We're going to stick it in the Raspberry Pi. We're going to plug in a USB cable, and then we're going to plug this into the computer. Just take the cable. You know how this goes. You plug it right into the computer, all nice and sensually. All slow. Yeah. Give this a couple of minutes for it to boot. So just let it do its thing. As you can see, the screen went blank and boom. You're going to want to give him another couple of minutes for the initial setup. And finally, he's up. He's awake. He's aware. He lives. Oh, he's already at work. Detected a wireless device. And boom, we just captured a handshake. Look at him go. God, look at him. Look at him. Now, once this is all said and done, there's still one more step required to take the data the Pwnagotchi eats. That's right. You're going to learn how to use Hashcat to crack password hashes. Like most things in InfoSec, it's much simpler than it sounds. If you enjoy dipping your toes into the realm of information security, I'm sorry.
Don't forget to follow and like.
And be sure to follow me on YouTube, Instagram, Twitch.tv, and subscribe to me on Patreon.